Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Windows 11 23H2 recently launched, but this is not installed. When I try to install and download, it automatically fail. So we have to some solutions to do and then install it. Okay, first run Windows troubleshooter. So click to start run, then setting, system, scroll down, troubleshooters, then click to run Windows troubleshooter. Okay, and wait few minutes. Then next solutions guys, restart and start relevant service. So guys, Windows R and type services.msc, then okay, then press B for background integrated transfer service. To double click, select automatically, stop, then start, then apply OK. Next solution guys is perform disk cleanup. So click start button and type disk cleanup. So download program file check, temporary internet check, thumbnail check, and temporary files. Okay, then clean the system. Then okay, and delete. Next solutions, reset Windows update component. So type cmd and run as administrator. So guys, that's a command I will give you in description, so you copy paste. Okay, one by one type, right click, copy and type, then enter, then second, then right click, enter, yes, enter, then next, right click, copy, then again right, next. If you are not copy and paste that location, so you can right click, edit and paste, so automatically come here, then okay, then go to C drive that locations to delete all file. Okay, so open Windows Explorer, C drive, Windows software distribution, C drive, Windows. So there are two locations. If this is not getting, that location is not available in my system, this is available. So C drive, Windows 32, system 32, this is system 32, then cartoon 2, and select all and delete, continue, check and skip. Okay, then close, then follow the next command. This is also command, right click, copy and type, then again enter, then again copy to next, This is stop command, this is start command. Okay, PC restart your PC, so please wait, do not restart right now. Okay, so guys, next solutions, restart your internet and network setting. So reset setting command by cmd, again right click to type cmd and run as administrator, click to yes, same, right click, copy and then enter, then next second, copy, then third, enter, then fourth, then fifth, then guys close. And last and final method, that all command I will give in description, so you copy and paste, otherwise you get manual type. Okay, so last solution is, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you a link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage, like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.